Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is my wardrobe or my cupboard. Is it cupboard or wardrobe? This is my wardrobe where I keep my cream, my essentials and the rest of them, my 7 a.m. fire prayer, communion, and this is our wine. That's the comb that I use for my hair, and that's the hair thing, bobo tibo, and the rest of them. So this is how it's looking. Don't worry about that money. I'm not doing giveaway. No go. So this is how my wardrobe is looking, and I want to change it today. And I got these baskets from my vendor. Okay, I got these baskets and I want to pack some of the things inside here, arrange it and see how it goes. So don't worry about that that's there. Okay, I just got this today, so I have to manage it like that. So it's ash and white, so I'm going to put these things inside here and let's do this. So here is empty. I will be cleaning it up before dropping other things that I need to drop. And here are my bobo tibos. Okay, so here they are. Let me quickly put them inside here and I will show you. I'm done cleaning here. So, and let me show you what I have. So this is the arrangement that I have here. The skincare, it's actually awesome skincare. The body spray, the oil is actually this side. Then my cream, my oil, my hair stuff, it's actually one side. And then my earring. So this is what I have. Okay, so now this is still going here because I don't have a place to keep those comb. I always like keeping it this side. So my makeup, I don't really use it all the time, so that is why I'm keeping it there. Okay, and that one will be there. So this will be going here. Okay, yes, and this one will be going also here. Oh yes, Asian. Wait though. So guys, this is what I did, this is what I arranged, but I'm having second mind because if I need anything from this basket, it will warrant me to put down the basket or get a chair to look inside to pick up what I want. So what I'll be doing right now is to carry these clothes up here to bring down these particular things down here so that I will have access to it. Whatever I need, I can just put hand and take it, than for me to be stretching my hand to see the things that are inside. So I'll be transferring either this or my jeans down here up there, whichever one I will show you when I'm done. This is what I achieved. I decided to take my jeans up here. Here is empty, and then my nightwears at the side. Now why I took this up here is that it's not every day that I wear my jeans. Okay, I can wear jeans like jeans, hey, I same jeans or pants like once or twice in a month or 3 times in a month, but my nightwear I usually change like every 2 days or every 3 days. So that is why I kept it here. It's lower part, and this is the empty space where I'll be keeping this one. So that's it. I'm done and dusted. Here is our jeans. Here is our everyday and daily usable, and that's my nightwear. How does it look? Chalukwana. So down there is my scale, my digital scale and my manual scale for weights. Okay, that's my nightwear. So here is it. How do you see this? Did I do good? I'm a fan of keeping things like it should be arranged though. Do you know that I can stand up from the bed? I will dress it before sitting down again. That's to tell you how I always want things. Like I want it sparkling. I want it to be arranged and clean always. So I got this mannequin. Okay, I got this mannequin. I don't have a hair mannequin. Shebi is mannequin that you people call this. I got this hair mannequin that I want to use and be putting some of my hair, because whenever I bring my wig, I usually use them and then I will hang them on this thing, for which will spoil it later without me realizing it. So I now got this mannequin so that I will be using to put my wigs, and for which will be going there. That place I will arrange some of my bags and put them down, then keep the mannequin up there. So that is the transformation that we're doing today. So let's be doing this. Still on our transformation, this is where my bags and my shoes, like this is That line is for my sneakers. That's for my slippers, my sandals, my flat shoes, some of my low heels for going to work, and then these ones are for hanging out or going to church. So these are where they are, and this side is for my normal casual bags. Some of these ones are equally for work, but I'll be carrying some of them out. Then I'll be bringing down some of the ones up there down here, so that I will see space to keep the mannequin. Okay, what's falling you now? You should stay straight and arranged and clean. Okay. Aha. So for this side, I'm going to be taking out this bag because I haven't been carrying it for a long time. I'll be dashing it out. I'll look for someone to give it. I usually give to Ezekiel. Ezekiel takes to the village, to the wife. Ezekiel is the gate man of my neighbor that usually helps us. So don't worry about the dust. These are the bags. I don't usually carry them. These are the ones. I'm a fan of black. Those ones, these two and this one, that's the one I usually carry to work. Then these ones are the normal casual handbags, okay? And this one too. But for these ones, I don't really carry them, okay? So let's do this. So guys, this is me. I kind of like brought down one bag here and then cleaned the rest. I removed the other bag and then I kept the wig. Then this bag, I'll be giving it to Patience. I just remember that I have Patience, so I'll be giving it to Patience to keep any day she's going out. And then Ogani, see my landlord. Lotana, say hi. Lotana, say hi. No, look here. Look here. Say cheese. Look here. Look here. Say hi. You want to see your face? Say hi. So guys, let me show you guys quickly. While I was ransacking my bag, hey, I saw money. Hey, do you know the excitement that do you know the excitement that comes with when you're ransacking your jeans or when you're ransacking your bag and you see money? I know where this money is coming. This money has been in my bag for like, it's going to years now. I brought it out from that bag that I want to give Patience, okay? And this bag senior Lotan now. I had this bag while I was pregnant for Lotana. Before I took in for Lotana, I had this bag. And look at it, hasn't peeled for one moment. Look at the leather is still kakaraka, as in gaga dudu. That's where I brought out this money from. So that is it. Oh, that is it for my arranging. I'm done. Now this bed, don't worry about the bra. You are in my home. I'm where you have me so here. Oh, now this baby's bed. My husband is telling me to dash out this bed, but this is a remembrance, okay, for me. A remembrance of 3 children. That is the bed there. I'm not using it to pack clothes. I'm not using it to pack clothes, so let it be here. Let me be using it to pack clothes. This is my ring light. I'm still going to push it that side. If not, Lotana is going to spoil it for me, and that is it. And also, I want to show you this place. I want to be sorting out this place, though I've arranged this side and I've taken down some of my clothes down here. Now this hanger that you're seeing there, I want to sort out some gowns and some shirts for me to hang them inside the hanger and create more space for the tops here. So that is what I want to be doing, but not today. So I'm tired already. Please let me rest. Yeah, welcome back guys. So I got these items from Shopka Black or something. Oh, I will look for the name and put it on the screen. So these are the sellotape that they used in wrapping them. So these are all household decor that I got, because I showed you guys in my home decor that we haven't really put anything fancy on the shelves that we have built. So I got these items and I want to be unboxing it with you guys to show you the things I got and where I'll be putting them. So this video is basically home decor, home transformation, kitchen transformation, and the rest of them. So let's do this. Yeah, so guys, these are the items that I got, okay? So this is a plant for which you can put for your decor. I got 2 of this. Okay, and then I got the Jesus Chineke nam. Oh, sorry no. So I got this plant. This one actually has a bulb that you can attach here. I'll be putting the bulb later, but I don't want to malhandle it and the bulb will break, so I'll be putting the bulb later. And then I got these 2 plants. I think I'll be putting the amount on the screen so that you will see how much I got them. So I got these 2 plants. This is the white and this is the pink, and this is diffuser oil, for which you can see, and this is a diffuser. This is a diffuser. Let me open them and show you. So these are different fragrance that was inside. Okay, so this is lavender and this is oceans of love, and it came with the sticks that you will be attaching inside here. This ones I don't know what they are for. I don't know what they are for, but this is pen and pencil holder you can keep on top of your table. Maybe when you need a pen, you can just attach, you can just pick up from here and hold on. So inside this particular one, we have this fragrance and we have this plenty bobo tibo. I don't know what they are. It came with, I think it came with the package inside. So this stick will be going inside here, and this one I think it should still be going inside there. I don't really know. I will still go through their page to check how it's being used. So these are all the items that I got from Shopka Bulletin Official. I will put the correct handle on the screen. Okay, so guys, so far so good. These are all the items. I just wanted to show you an explicit video of all the items. Is it explicit in Yoibo? So I got this plant, these 2 plants, and this is another fragrance. This flower came with this fragrance. I think you're going to pour it inside, then it's going to be the fragrance is going to be spreading through these flowers, these rose flowers. This plant came with this one, with this scent or fragrance, whatever it is. And this one, is this a diffuser or a fragrance? This thing, I don't know. Anyway, this is a diffuser. Shebi, I'll be putting these sticks inside, and I got 2 of this in different fragrance, and I also got this plant, this one, and that is it. Now I'm going to be putting all the prices of all these items on the screen and the name of the business vendor that I got it from, so that you can go patronize them. And that is it. Their packaging is top notch. Like, look at all the carton. Look at all the carton. Their packaging is top notch. They deliver, they're in Abuja, but they can deliver anywhere you are. And they are very affordable. Very, very affordable. If you go to other Instagram page and check for this oil, you are not going to get it for the amount that you'll be seeing on the screen right now. Okay, I got this oil for 4,550 naira. I think that is the amount that I got it. I'll be putting it on the screen so that you will compare the prices of other places that you get your fragrance or your diffuser or whatever. So these are all the items I got, and this item cost me 28,080 naira. Okay, so this is it. This is where I kept one of the diffuser or whatever it is. This is where I kept one, and that is where I kept plants. And this way I dropped the fragrance, because our sitting room is very big, so I need a fragrance that will be able to cover this sitting room area. So I kept one plant here, and I kept another diffuser here, and nothing is here until I get another decor. But if you have kids like Lotana and the rest of them, they will put this thing down. So I'm not sure anything is going to be in this down area, because Lotana's hands can reach here. Very soon their hands will be reaching here. So for now, this is how I've decorated the ones that I'm able to get. So guys, this is where I dropped one plant, and this is where I dropped one. This is for my room, and one plant here, and I dropped one diffuser here. This diffuser. I dropped one here,